went over to the other side. I don't know if I got this. I got this before we left. This is looking out over our parking lot here. It's all total of about, hello, how y'all doing?
Summer camp.
Nice deck. So way out there, you can see the water.
I was just showing them how it wasn't none of good stuff. They just had all the jackets.
And we gotta have the water way out there in the rain clouds. See the water way out there in the rain clouds. So it's a little cloudy and overcast today. And there is more of our view out of the town.
That's where that rooster lives over there.
And looking back down the other side of our porch. Where's that rooster live?
Right down in that courtyard thing.
Oh, down in there? Oh, right.
Where that dog came running back?
There's a real nice courtyard that's close by there.
This is David's room. Window. Right over here.
It's pretty windy today. You're probably going to hear a little bit of that wind rustling through the microphone into 20-30 mile an hour over the side. Kind of, this is one of the cars here.
It's a Honda Accord.
Honda Accord. It's, of course, right-hand drive.
Automatic.
Automatic, and our other car is parked out front. We're kind of looking out.